Assalamualaikum students. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 5 students. This is the English explanation video, English homework explanation video. As the chapter number 1, the world in a wall, had been explained to you in the previous video. So now in this video, I am going to explain you the chapter homework. Okay, what you have to do firstly, you have to maintain your copy, your English literature copy, maintain it with the index. You know how to make the index. Firstly, you'll have to write down the name of the chapter in the index and the date. You have to mention whatever the date on which you are doing your homework in your homes. Then make a title page for the first term. After making the title page of the first term, you have to make the title page of the chapter number 1, The World in a Wall. The World in a Wall. Give a title to the chapter. After this, you have to do one page writing from this chapter in your copies. Every student have to do this writing in literature copies because it is for your benefit to make your writing more beautiful. Okay, students? Firstly index, then first term title page, then chapter title page, The World in a Wall, and then one page writing from this chapter. After that, you will come to your homework, which must have been provided to you. Class 5 English Literature chapter number 1. In the work, you will firstly start with the word's meaning. Bulbous, fat, bulging, round. मोटा, गोल, मटोल. बल्जिंग, swelling outwards. सतह का उभार, गोमड़ा. कॉन्फेटी, pieces of colored papers. रंगीन कागज के टुकड़े. Dawdling, being slow. आहिस्ता काम करना, वक्त ज़ाया करना. Enraptured, extremely pleased by. नहायत मसरूर, बाग बाग करना. Infinite, limitless, लामहदूद. Intricate, extremely detailed and complicated, बहुत तफसीली और पेचीदा. Oblivious, unaware, बेखबर, भुलक्कड़ या बेखबर. Phobia, an extreme fear of something. Khawf, predator, an animal that hunts and kills another for food. Shikari, जानवर. Okay, these all are the words meaning which will you be doing in your homes, in your copies after completing your writing. After the writing and the words meaning, these all are the words meaning. After writing and words meaning, the next work exercise is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks you will do in your copies. Number 1. At night the toad and Jacob were the hunters. I found a fat female scorpion in the wall. They are coming, screamed Margot. The shower of water missed the animal completely. All the baby scorpions had hidden themselves under various plates and bits of cutlery. So these all are the fill in the blanks. Hunters, scorpion, coming, shower, hidden. Okay, after filling the blank, these are the true false. The prey was the population of stupid, absent-minded flies. True. It was difficult to tell the difference between the prey and the predator. True. Everything seemed to feed off everything. True. I found a flat female spider. It's a false. She did not pull herself out of the box with great rapidity. False. After that, these are the word sentences. Enraptured, dawdling, infinite, phobia, predator. Enraptured, we were enraptured to see animals in zoo. Dawdling, he was dawdling in completing his work. Infinite, the God's universe is infinite. Phobia, he had extreme phobia of height and water. Of height or water, you can write any one of them. Predator, lion is a predator kind of animal. Okay, After completing all these verbs, coming towards your words, sentences. After your word sentences, you have to do the question and answer. In your homework page, we just have given you only the answers. You have to get the question from page number 6. This is the page number 6 of your book, and these all are the questions which is provided over here. You can write down the question from the book and answer from the homework. The first question is about, where does Gerald hunt for animals and why is it a good place to find them? Gerald hunts for animals in an ancient crumbling wall that surrounds his garden. It is a good place to find animals because many different creatures live in the cracks of the wall and under the bulges of the old plaster. Number 2 question is, make 2 lists of animals under the following headings. Animals that Gerald finds during the day and animals that Gerald finds at night. Animals that Gerald finds in the day was hunting wasps, caterpillars, spiders, flies, dragonflies, wall lizards, and at night he finds toads, geckos, crane flies, moths. Okay. Now the number 3 question is, explain who the following characters are and find the information about what happens to them in the text. Larry and the Roger. Okay, in this question, people should be encouraged to search and make note before sharing them with the class. Means in this line, you don't have to write it down in your copy. This line, you don't have to write it down in your copy. It means that you can make your own view about these characters. You have learn about this character. I have explained about the Larry and the Roger when I was explaining the chapter. So you must know who was the Larry, who was Roger. So you have to tell us that in your own words that what happened with them in the text. Here I am giving you a small example, but you can also make your opinion, make your view in the answer. Okay. So Larry, Gerald's older brother, he talks a lot, he is an adult, he smokes and thinks the matchbox that Gerald has used is one full of matches. He flings his arm out when sees the scorpion. He does not share Gerald's love of animals. The shock of the incident makes him scared of matchbox. Okay, and the Roger, a pet dog. Gerald likes him and feeds him at mealtime, even though he is not supposed to. He barks wildly. When the incident happens, Gerald takes him on a walk. He is a companion to Gerald. Okay, the next question is about, what does Gerald think the female scorpion is wearing and what gives her that appearance? Gerald thinks the female scorpion is wearing a pale fawn brown fur coat. All her babies are clinging to her black back, which is what creates the impression that she is wearing a fur coat. E question is about, why does Gerald forget about the scorpion after he has put them in matchbox? Gerald forgets about the scorpion because he gets busy with feeding his dogs lunch. What happened to Gerald's mother during the house at the end of the lunch? Gerald's mother is soaked. Gerald's mother is soaked by water after Margot tries to throw it at the scorpions, and Mrs. Gerald's mother is so shocked that she is left gasping and unable to speak. G question is, why does Gerald stay away from the family in the afternoon? Gerald stay away from the family in the afternoon because he knows they blame him for the incident that happened earlier at lunch and wants to keep out of their way. H question, what are the repercussions of the incidents? The repercussions of these incidents are that Gerald develops a phobia of matchboxes and his mother decides to stop Gerald from exploring the animals world by getting him a tutor. These all are the question and answers that you will be doing in your copy. I hope you will understand how you have to maintain your copy and do your homework. Firstly, maintain the title pages and the index. Do one page writing. One page writing is necessary, is essential for every student sitting in the home, so you can make your writing more beautiful, more better. I hope you have understood the homework, that how you have to do it in your home. Do your work very neatly, very cleanly. Thank you very much, students.